Agent of record, what is it? Man, if you've heard that term before, there's no telling what the background is behind that conversation. But I'm going to tell you that the agent of record letter is not bad. Like, you have to have an agent of record on your account, period. Whether you realize it or not, you already have one. Now, the reason that agent of record letters exist is not so that shady insurance agents can get you to sign something to move your coverage without them really doing the work to earn it. It's really for you to be able to choose and pick the carrier you want to work with and then have them assign the agent that you tell them to via this letter. So for example, if I write a lot of business with Chubb and I call on you and you like my value proposition because you feel like Florida Risk Partners has the ability to bring more value to your organization than you're currently receiving, then you can make me your agent with Chubb by simply declaring that on an agent of record letter. Now, agent of record letters have a bad rap in the agent community. Many times agents feel like somebody's sleazy and they're just trying to steal their work or take their account when nobody's looking or whatever else. I can tell you unequivocally over the course of my career that the overwhelming majority of agent of record letters are used properly. Now, there are some bad apples out there that abuse the system, but most of the time those are payroll companies who like to throw agent of record letters for the workers' comp into your onboarding paperwork if you choose to engage with payroll services. So if you're ever approached for an agent of record letter, you need to make sure that it is something that you agree with, that you understand that you are now hiring that person to represent you, and you are firing your current representation. And if you don't feel comfortable with that, don't sign it. Part of the agent of record process is for guys like me to educate people like you on exactly what it is, what you're doing, and how to handle the conversation with the person that you're unfortunately going to have to let go because they simply weren't delivering what you needed them to deliver. What I can tell you is it is very, very, very rare that an agent of record letter is ever tendered against an incumbent agent who is doing their job. If your agent isn't cutting it, but you love your carrier relationship, agent of record letters are your tool and a weapon that you can use to preserve the integrity of your risk management program and the relationships you've built with your insurance company partners, while allowing yourself the flexibility of taking on a value proposition that is unfamiliar to you yet refreshing based on what's been represented. At the end of the day, it's up to you. You get to decide. It's not the agent who tells you who represents you, it's you, the buyer. And I hope that you have found this series useful and that you click down below and download the ebook we put together on ways to purchase insurance, because I think that you will find the information we've included very valuable.